YAHA2319 constant temperature heating. Press the settings button for 3 seconds to enter the basic settings page. Adjust to F8 automatic start-stop heating switch. Press the setting key to modify it, and press the up or down adjustment key to switch. Switch to on to open the state. Press the setting key for 3 seconds to save the settings and return to the running interface. Set the temperature below the cap temperature by 2°C in temperature control mode. Switch off delay 30 seconds. Adjust the setting temperature to 2°C above the cap temperature. Switch on delay 30 seconds.